Hello, I hope you all are doing well. For my professional learning proposal, I use Google Sites to create it. And for my topics, I pulled those from our Module 5 activity that we did with the portfolio. And I added a few other topics to meet the 8 that we needed. And for my resources, I used our book. You're going to love this, kid. That book is awesome. It has all kinds of information, and I love it. So I use that for my resource. But my topics are, sorry, that the home button goes to the calendar and then the example I have for the PLP and then the resources, which is the book. But the topics are characteristics of individuals with ASD and creating a comfortable classroom, instructional methods, communication issues methods, self-advocacy, and then under more, I have rethinking behavior, which is the example I'm going to use, sensory issues, methods for redirection, and transition. So these would be my topics I would share throughout the year. And some of these may be 30 minutes. Some could be longer, which might need to be on a teacher work day or an early release day. And I would like to address this to the whole school. And with that being said, that would consist of teachers, paraprofessionals, administrators, because I feel like if everyone can get on board with these ideas, it would be best for everyone, teachers, students, to be inclusive. And I think this is a good starting point. So for my example, I chose to do rethinking behavior, and this one would be longer than 30 minutes. So it'd probably need to be like a teacher work day. But we would focus on the 10 positive ways to assess and support students with behavior challenges. And we would do this, like my starting point would be a Google form. How do you address behavior in your classroom? And then we would have the introduction of what we are going to learn about, what we are going to talk about, and how we're going to do it. And then everyone would be given numbers 1 through 10. That way we can do a station rotation, and everyone can rotate through those to learn about the 10 positive ways to assess and support students with behavior challenges. And in those rotations, they would have a video role-playing example. And then after they watch that, the group members would be asked to discuss their observations and make notes. Once we're done with all the rotations, we'll come back together as a whole group. And to close out, we would complete another Google form. And this one would access what the audience learned, what the audience may have questions about, and also what the audience may be willing to try after this professional learning. And then lastly, I would also ask them what they liked about the professional learning, what they did not like, and maybe what could be done differently. That was just kind of my idea for how it could be run for one of the topics. But like I said, the other topics could fall differently. But thank you, and I hope you all have a wonderful day.